Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Ford Fiesta headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a new H7 bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of gloves. Always make sure your car's ignition is off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. This simple preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Having the right bulb, like an H7, is crucial for proper fit and function. Now let's get to the headlight. Pop open your bonnet and secure it with the prop rod. You'll find two Torx T30 screws on top of the headlight unit. Carefully remove them. After the screws are out, gently slide the headlight forward. It's held by a lower mounting lug, so a slight upward and forward motion will release it. This gives you better access to the bulb housing. With the headlight unit free, disconnect the electrical connector at the back. Next, remove the rubber cover protecting the bulb. You'll then twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from its socket. When installing the new H7 bulb, align its tabs with the slots, push it in, and twist clockwise to secure it. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands to prevent premature failure. Now, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical plug to the new bulb and firmly refit the rubber cover. Carefully slide the headlight unit back into its original position, making sure the lower mounting lug engages correctly. Reinstall the two Torx T30 screws and tighten them securely. Finally, close the bonnet and test your new headlight to ensure it's working perfectly. And hey, if your car could use a refresh after all that work, check out the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.